Hello, safety warriors. I'm Radiant Freya, and today we'll learn how to spot common mechanical issues in your vehicle. Recognizing warning signs like strange noises, warning lights, and fluid leaks can prevent breakdowns and keep you safe on the road. Here are some common warning signs to look out for. Unusual noises. Grinding, squeaking, or knocking sounds can signal engine or brake issues. Warning lights. Lights on the dashboard, like the engine or oil light, indicate specific issues. Fluid leaks. Leaks under your vehicle suggest problems with oil, coolant, or brake fluid. Changes in performance. If your vehicle doesn't accelerate or brake as usual, it might need a checkup. Let's look at a real-life example. You're driving on the highway and you hear a grinding noise from the brakes. This could mean your brake pads are worn out. Ignoring it could lead to brake failure. Addressing it promptly will keep you safe. Addressing warning signs quickly is crucial. Ignoring them can lead to bigger problems, breakdowns, and expensive repairs. By acting on early signs, you save on repair costs and ensure safety for yourself and others on the road. Let's create a simple troubleshooting guide for common warning signs. Include description. What's the sign? Potential cause, what might be wrong? Recommended action, what to do about it? Safety precautions, how to stay safe. Great job today, safety warriors! Remember, recognizing and addressing mechanical problems early keeps you safe and prevents costly repairs. Keep an eye out for unusual sounds, warning lights, leaks, and performance changes. A safe vehicle makes for a safe journey,